Assalamu alaikum, everyone. If you ever wanted to grow your own fresh vegetables right at home but didn't know where to start, this video is definitely for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to begin kitchen gardening in a simple and practical way. Even if you've never planted a single thing in your life. So, why start a kitchen garden? Imagine having fresh, chemical-free vegetables with incredible taste right at your fingertips. Plus, it's a really peaceful and rewarding hobby. And guess what? You don't need a huge space or complicated tools. A small balcony, a sunny window, or even a rooftop is more than enough to get started. First things first, let's choose the right spot. You need to find a place that gets at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight every day. This is perfect for plants like tomatoes, chilies, coriander, mint, and cucumbers. If your space is a bit shadier, don't worry. You can still grow leafy greens like spinach or lettuce, which thrive with less direct sun. Now, for the fun part, picking your plants. If you're a beginner, it's best to start with easy, fast-growing options. I highly recommend trying tomatoes, chilies, mint, coriander, or even green onions. These plants are low maintenance and will give you quick results, which is super motivating. Next up is the soil. Healthy soil means healthy plants. It's that simple. A great mix is 1 part garden soil to 1 part compost. If you don't have compost readily available, you can easily find pre-made potting mix at a local store or even start making your own using kitchen scraps. You don't need to spend a lot on fancy pots. Old buckets, plastic bottles, cement pots, or grow bags all work perfectly. The most important thing is to make sure there are drainage holes at the bottom. This prevents water from logging and keeps your plant roots healthy. When it's time to plant, gently moisten your soil first. Sprinkle the seeds lightly over the surface and cover them with just a thin layer of soil. A common mistake is burying seeds too deep, so be careful. Water them very gently with a spray bottle or a small jug so you don't wash them away. Speaking of watering, this is where many beginners go wrong. The biggest mistake is overwatering. A simple rule is to water only when the top inch of the soil feels dry to the touch. This simple check will save your plants from a lot of trouble. To keep your plants growing strong, feed them every 15 days or so. You can use natural fertilizers like compost tea, your own kitchen waste compost, or organic options like neem cake. This will keep them healthy and help them fight off pests naturally. But what if you do see some pests? Don't panic. You can make a simple and effective spray using a little bit of neem oil mixed with warm water. Spray it on the leaves once a week. It's completely safe for you and your plants. And then comes the best part, the harvest. Within a few weeks, you'll start seeing fresh leaves and tiny vegetables. Make sure to harvest them regularly to encourage new growth. Trust me, nothing beats the feeling of cooking and eating vegetables that you grew with your own hands. It's an incredible experience. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a like and share it with anyone else who wants to start their own kitchen garden. Let me know in the comments if you do like a more detailed video on a specific topic, like a full soil mix recipe or a complete pest control plan. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!